Hello YouTube. I got a 2024. One of my customers got a 22. He traded for a 24. So I'm gonna be showing you how to remove the ANC for this. So here it is. I can't remove it because I'm using one hand. Take a door panel remover and remove this. Try not to use the flat head. You want some thick one and flat, and try it out. They do have it at your local car parts, like oh my gosh, must be early to kind of talk today. Yes, AutoZone, Advance, O'Reilly. So now what you want to do, you want to remove this 8mm right there. You want this 2 out. That way you can pull this out. So you can get to the ANC should be around here. So the 8mm is out, but it's hard to get to. So I got the magnet. I'm going to stick the magnet in there. See if I can get it up. Yep. Right, come on. Right here. You need to do both sides. This side and this side. What you want to do, you want to try to pry this out a little bit right here. I'm not sure what's holding up here, but I'm sure it's some clips. So we got that pulled a little bit, and then I'm gonna go to that side and pry this out also. Right here, you want to pry it out right around here. Actually, you want to take this, I think they call it side panel. Pull that out first. Try to be really careful with this. I'm gonna try to use 2 hands. You just pry it out right there. There. So once you get that out, you wanna careful pull this out, and then the ANC should be right here, right there. I'm not gonna try to pull it all out right here. Just unplug it right here. Let's see. Oh, where's my camera? Pictures. Right here. That little thing is ANC. So unplug that by pushing. I'm gonna show you that right there. What you want to do, you want to push this button down and pull it out.